go. Club to Maddie, where Reggae lives. Sticky likes of China.
Oh, I caught that as you slid that over there. I like to kind of. Like, cause you know I'm hitting 60. Yeah, like I'm like this.
Touchdown.
I'll record it when I go in. I'm going to air. I'm recording the whole time. Wait, it's not streaming, so this is cool. I like that they got a rooftop. I didn't even notice that rooftop over there, y'all. That'd have been kind of dope. That definitely would have probably been a doper place with a rooftop. I like the little rooftop, what is it called? Rooftop day parties. It's a vibe. Yeah, Snicker, I'll tell you what. Books. Jeez. What's going on, fellas? How you doing? All right. Can't live in large and charge. We still here.
Yes, indeed. Take the keys, wallet, cell phone out for me.
You got it. All right.
And I appreciate you, brother.
Thank you, man. All right. Wallet, keys, cell phone. There you go. All right. Yes. Let's go up in here and see if the fellas in here already. Hopefully they'll check into the reservation because the brother's getting hungry. Hopefully they got some good soul food in here, man. Something. You know? We've been on the road, DC. We've been on the road with some good food, so let's keep going. All right. Air. How can I breathe without the air? Well, the music sound good. Go inside. Down to the mat, boy. Oh shit. People coming out. I don't know if that's a good sign or not. Hello. Wow, damn. Hello. Sheesh. Demon on God. You like to still do fraud? Oh. It's that G shit. It's that still do fraud. Shit like a vibe, bro. Oh. Sheesh. Hey, yo. DJ up top. It's a vibe. They find out where everybody else is at. Well, let me find out where they at. Hold up. outside, we outside, yo. Jersey to DC, showing you what it's like, bro. Woo! Stepping in it. What? I could have definitely switched to the red bottom, yo. Hold on. I could have definitely switched to the red bottom. Oh, the outside might be better. The outside might be better. Oh, it's like an outside inside, y'all. It's kind of dope. It's definitely kind of dope. I still like the. Oh yeah, the breeze is amazing out here. Why didn't you want to sit out here, man? All right, y'all. So we made it to Air. Some nice things here. Well, I just wanted to show you here. I like the breeze here. It's so much better. It's your boy FRE $ East Fresh at the Flyboy Way. All platforms, Brick City.
Hey, Sky, what up? Sky, working.